Welcome to Kurukshetra Railway Station, a place where accessibility and inclusion take center stage. Anuprayaas, in association with Standard Chartered Bank and Enable India, this railway station has undergone a massive transformation. Now, it is one of the accessible railway stations in India, with a range of facilities for people with disabilities. In this video, we take you on a tour of Kurukshetra Railway Station and show you the various accessibility features that have been installed here. From Braille maps and booklets to Braille signage, platform indicators, and portable ramps, this railway station has it all. But this is just the beginning. Our mission is to make every railway station in India accessible and inclusive for people with disabilities. And we need your help to make it happen. We invite you to be a part of our mission by collaborating with us and subscribing to our channel. Together, we can create a more accessible and inclusive world for everyone. So, join us on this journey and let's make India a better place for all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Thank you for watching.